Good morning YouTube and welcome back to our channel. Today is another beautiful day on Apo Island and we are off to go diving today. We're doing an introductory day to diving. We go down 12 metres, so that should be awesome.
First time I've been diving, so I'm looking forward to it. Mel's actually got her diving licence, don't you?
Yeah, but I haven't done it in years since I actually got my licence, so I don't really remember everything, so I'd rather do a introductory one.
We're actually quite lucky that it's such a beautiful day today, because last night a huge storm hit us. We were eating dinner out on the balcony at the restaurant and it was lovely. We were watching the sunset and we were watching this storm roll in with like orange kind of lightning in the distance. It was just in the distance. It was beautiful. We came back home and we sat on the balcony here and watched a bit more and then went to bed. But it hadn't hit us. It wasn't raining, it wasn't storming here, it was just off in the distance. And then halfway through the night, like crack. And it was just beating down with rain. It was really loud, wasn't it?
It was amazing though, I loved it.
And it was brilliant. There was these huge flashes that like went all through the room and stuff. And it's so hot here that you have to sleep with the doors and the windows open. And a nice thing for me is that these are all tin roofs, and the rain on the tin roof is exactly what I would listen to when I was young in my old house in Australia.
Reminds me of home.
It reminded me of home too. But anyway, we're off to Brekkie now and gonna go and get in it. Thanks for following along.
See you later. Sorry.
Right, well, we're here in the shade on the beach at Apo Island because it's brutally hot out, isn't it?
Brutally hot. It's the middle of the day, so we shouldn't really be in the sun.
That dive was just brilliant, wasn't it?
So amazing. I kind of forgot how amazing diving is because I did it so long ago, and it's just beautiful. It's way better than snorkeling.
Yeah.
Like so much better. It's less strenuous as well, I find.
You just kind of cruise along. It was a bit stressful for me. It was my first dive. Breathing in and out and like just kind of getting into the rhythm of it. But once you're in the rhythm, it's just amazing.
You have to do like that, slow in and slow out and just continuous and never hold your breath or anything like that.
Quite relaxing once you're doing that because the slow breathing calms you down. And I want to see the footage of it because I'm not sure if we captured the big drop-off wall there.
I did not.
Found out that the reason you don't take a GoPro below 10 metres without a dive case is that the pressure jams in the buttons on it, so you can't actually start recording. So I think we actually missed out on like a vast majority of the dive, which is unfortunate. But I mean, you'll see the rest of it, which was just absolutely stunning anyway.
So cool, and we saw a baby turtle.
Yeah.
Not baby, but like maybe a teenage turtle.
Teenage mutant one for sure.
No.
It's a whole different world down there, isn't it? And it's really important this place thrives off the reef and the turtles and stuff here, and that's why people come here. So if you do come here and go diving or snorkeling, make sure you look after it because it's absolutely worth protecting. There's
a few places around the island, there's signs that say Apo lives if they live. So basically it's like the island life and the marine life and the beauty of the place, it will all remain and all continue to live if it's looked after properly. So so good.
That means okay in diving terms, all right? But
never go like this because that means you want to go up.
Flashback. End of flashback.
But yeah, off for a walk, then lunch, and then I think maybe have a walk around town. There is like a little kind of street part where everyone lives. So we'll go and check that out and see what's on the other side of the island as well.
Yeah.
Catch you soon.
Hey!
So the only thing that I can fault about this place, and it's not much, is the bathroom. So that's your shower. It's only cold, but it's hot enough here that that doesn't matter. And this is how you flush the toilet here. But you can't throw your toilet paper in the toilet, you have to throw it in the bin. What you're meant to do is, lots of other toilets have like a hose that you use to wash yourself after you go to the loo. And then you use the toilet paper to dry yourself and chuck it in the bin, which is what we've had to do. And I mean, I might be sharing a bit too much, but I got the runs this morning, and it was like not a very nice experience having the runs in a toilet like that. But I mean, at the same time, the view that I'm looking at the moment is absolutely amazing, and it just makes up for it. And I mean, really, is it even a trip to Southeast Asia if you don't get the runs? Like, my whole family got it last time we came here, and I think Malika got it last time she came here. So if you're not getting it, you're doing something wrong, I think.
Oh my God.